Understanding Convert to Blueprint, a simplified guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's both literal and figurative in usage: convert to blueprint. Whether you're a budding architect, a game designer, or just curious about English idioms, this video will shed light on what it means to transform ideas into plans. Let's unravel this concept together. The term, convert to blueprint, primarily refers to the process of transforming a concept, design, or idea into a detailed plan. A blueprint is a technical drawing that represents the architectural structure of a building or an object. It's the detailed plan or guideline used by engineers, architects, and designers to bring a project to life. When someone says they're converting an idea into a blueprint, they're essentially taking a vision and turning it into a tangible, detailed plan that can be followed to create something real. Figuratively speaking, convert to blueprint can be applied to any situation where you're transforming abstract ideas into concrete plans or strategies. This could be as simple as planning a trip, starting a new business, or developing a course curriculum. In this context, the blueprint symbolizes a well-thought-out plan that outlines the steps needed to achieve a goal or bring an idea to fruition. It emphasizes the importance of planning and preparation in successfully executing any project or idea. Understanding and using the phrase, convert to blueprint, can be incredibly powerful, especially in settings that require meticulous planning and organization. It highlights the value of detailed planning in achieving success and the transition from theory to practice. By converting an idea into a blueprint, you're one step closer to realizing your vision, as you have a clear roadmap to follow. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of convert to blueprint in both its literal and figurative senses. Whether you're laying down the foundations for a skyscraper or plotting the course for your next big adventure, converting your ideas into blueprints is the crucial first step towards turning your dreams into reality. Remember, every great achievement starts with a plan. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.